Alright, so the mass of light is in the Shadowcaster. Now, it sounds weird, but light of the mass is the sun. So this light has mass. Now, mass light is a little bit different. Now, it has mass because when it hits our bodies, it produces a shadow. It doesn't go through us, whether it's a wave or a particle. Thank God it's a wave. If it was a particle, it'd probably do a lot of damage. The earth protects us and gets all of that. Now, the body is receiving energy and reacting biologically. Example, being converted into vitamin D. That's mass light. So the light is being converted into vitamin D inside the body. That light is being converted. That energy is being converted into a mass light inside the body. Even your immunities, your antigens and antibodies, even this is a partial sum to the mass light. The rest goes around and creates the shadow. No more shadow. It's just darker whenever it. This is why pretty much whenever it goes around. This is why you can see in front of you even during the daylight when you're in the shadows. So the shadow. This is where the mass of your light is, whether it's biochemistry or literally the mass of the being, like photosynthesis of plants. Now they're autotropic. They use the sun. We are heterotropic. We have to eat. But the thing is, we're eating the earth and getting the sun. They're also eating the earth, with its root system, and they're getting the sun. So all the photosynthesis, the metabolic and motile energy of the life forms on Earth is the mass light. And the sum of the shadow of Earth is part of that mass light. Because Earth produces a shadow, that means a lot of light will go around it, and light will hit it. And the light that hits it is what matters, and it's converted into biological organisms. The light that hits the earth is converted into solar beings. That's our soul. All the energy you use to move or metabolize, which is to eat and convert energy. This is a light mass. Inside us, we are the mass light because we have to use the earth, and the earth is a matter or mass that we're part of. The energy from this, the physical body of this, are entwined, and that's what gives organisms their body and their light. So science can prove the soul. You just got to look at it from a slightly different perspective. Lateral thinking. Simplicity of the universe. Occam's razor. I mean, the shadow is synonymous with the light, so why don't physicists incorporate it? We've been convinced by Congress and confused. Profuse. Exuberantly plentiful or abundant. Province or province. An area of special knowledge or interest or responsibility. Progress. To forwardly move on. Move forward or onward in space or time. There's a lot of cons in place. A lot of cons running us.